Okay, to add a driver to Max Opera, you need to ensure you're in the correct distribution centre name on the right hand side. Coleraine, Belfast, Dublin, Galway, Cork, Scotland and Balmony. In this example we'll use Coleraine. Make sure your date is correct. For this test we're just going to pick next Monday, it's the 20th. Over the left hand side you'll see all of your route codes. In the middle section here you'll see this is all greyed out. When a driver is allocated it will include a white area of working time within this frame. So to add a driver you click on your route, move over to driver on the right hand side, select the driver that you need and hit save. And you'll see it now allocates a white working time space between 4 and 7 o'clock. I'll just show you that again. Coleraine 2, select your driver and we'll play Denver Sands as an example. Hit save and the same thing. Once the white working time has been allocated you can then assign orders to that route. You cannot assign orders to a route with no driver.